This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Fall Guys mobile. First, you'll need to download the Epic Games Store application. Android users can access the game globally, but if you're on an iOS device, it's currently available only within the European Union. Make sure your phone meets the system requirements, like having at least 3 GB of RAM for iOS or 4 GB for Android, to ensure a smooth and fun experience. Once you're in, you'll dive into the Blunderdome, a chaotic party royale where up to 32 players compete. Your goal is to qualify through a series of randomly selected minigames, which include challenging obstacle courses and exciting survival rounds. You can participate in competitive free-for-alls or team up with up to 3 friends for cooperative challenges, making every match a unique adventure. Mastering the mobile controls is key to victory. You'll use your left thumb to navigate your bean around the courses. Your right thumb is dedicated to crucial actions such as jumping over gaps, diving to avoid obstacles or gain speed, and even grabbing other players or ledges. The game also allows you to customize the on-screen button layout, so you can adjust it for your preferred play style and comfort. To consistently claim the crown, practice is essential. The more you play, the better you'll become at navigating the unpredictable courses and timing your jumps and dives. Pay close attention to how experienced players tackle obstacles. You can learn many clever shortcuts and strategies. Remember to adapt your approach for each minigame, as different rounds require unique tactics to succeed and be the last bean standing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.